What is artificial intelligence? Your email service can block a suspicious message before you open it, even when nobody has written a rule for that exact message. How can software recognize something it has never seen before, and why do we call that artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the broad idea of creating computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human abilities. These tasks may involve recognizing an image, translating a sentence, recommending a movie, predicting an outcome, or generating text. This does not mean that the computer has a human mind. It means that the system can process information and produce a useful result that may appear intelligent. Imagine that the following message arrives in your inbox. A person may notice several warning signs. The message promises an unexpected prize. It creates urgency. It asks the reader to click a link. But a computer does not naturally understand these warning signs in the way a person does. A traditional computer program could use fixed rules. For example, a programmer might tell it to mark every message containing the phrase "free vacation" as spam. That rule may work for this message. However, a spammer could write "complimentary holiday" instead. The meaning would be similar, but the exact words would be different. The programmer could keep adding more rules. But real email contains countless combinations. Writing a separate instruction for every possible spam message would be extremely difficult. This is one of the main reasons artificial intelligence exists. It helps computers handle situations where the number of possible cases is too large. Instead of describing every spam message manually, we can give the system many examples. Some examples are labeled spam, others are labeled not spam. The system processes these examples and searches for patterns connected to each label. This process is called training. The training method used in this example is machine learning. Machine learning is one approach used to create AI systems. It allows a computer model to improve at a task by learning patterns from data rather than receiving a complete rule for every situation. During training, the model may detect useful signals. Spam messages may contain unusual promises, suspicious links, urgent language, repeated punctuation, or sender details that differ from normal messages. The model does not store these observations as ordinary sentences. Instead, the training algorithm adjusts internal numerical values. These values influence how strongly different patterns affect the model's output. After training, the model can receive an email it has never processed before. The model has not necessarily seen that exact sentence before. It produces the result because the message contains patterns that are similar to patterns associated with spam during training. The model may produce a score representing how strongly the email matches the spam category. The email application can then use that score to choose an action. For example, a very high score may cause the message to be moved automatically. A less certain message may remain in the inbox or receive a warning. From the outside, it may look as though the computer read the email and understood that someone was trying to deceive you. Inside the system, the model processed information, detected learned patterns, and calculated an output. The result may resemble a human judgment, but the process is not the same as human reasoning. If the training data contains too few examples, incorrect labels, or outdated spam patterns, the model may make poor predictions. It may allow a dangerous message into the inbox or incorrectly block a legitimate message. Artificial intelligence does not automatically guarantee a correct answer. It provides a method for building systems that can handle complex patterns, but the system still depends on its data, design, testing, and the way its output is used. There is also no requirement that an AI system look like a robot. The spam filter inside an email service is an AI system even though it has no face, voice, or physical body. Artificial intelligence is therefore best understood as a broad field concerned with building computer systems that perform tasks associated with intelligent behavior. Thank you for watching. For more videos that explain AI-related concepts, subscribe to the channel.